Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to change layout of Google Meet. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To change layout of Google Meet, click on three dot icon here. Here you will find the first option, change layout. Click on change layout. By default auto is selected. You can change the layout to tiled. Click on tile, then you can drag to maximize. You can change to a spotlight also, and also you can change to sidebar. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.